and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If y'all oldie but still goodie, welcome back. It's your girl Keona Michelle, and I'm checking in. I'm coming to you with the unboxing. This is for the Your Nail Lab in a box from MAKRATT. I receive this every month. I'll put the link down below if you're interested in receiving a box as well. If you're obsessed with nail goodies like me, this is definitely the box for you. So let's just get into it. The box is $35 every single month. I think you can skip months. You can pause it if you want to. You can do all those type of things. So you can take advantage and you can set the boxes up how you want, whenever you want. And I love that about this box. And you can also cancel anytime you want to cancel. So, yeah, that's good as well. But, yes, it's $35. And you get a plethora of goodies. Let's jump in. Your girl ain't never ready. When I tell you I never have, like, a pen, a box cutter, nothing. I usually have my nails. So, I'm trying to distract y'all and talk while I get open. When you first open it, it says Your Nail Lab in a box, and it has www.yournaillab.com. You can go there, and they have so much other stuff other than nail boxes. You can purchase individual items, all that stuff. So it comes with this little card, and it says the same thing I just told y'all, and it's like the Halloween thing. Really, really cute. And they have a code on the back. You get 15% off, so I'm just going to leave it up here for you. And I'll put it on the screen for you as well so you can have that code if you want to shop with them. It always comes with this brown tissue paper. And then we have the items in here. So let's just get into it. So the first thing we have are some nail tips. And these are square shape. I might put these in something special because I got some of these already and I don't actually use them. I might use them, but I'm not sure. If not, I'll have them put to the side for something else. But this is what they are. They give you a lot in there, and I think it goes 0 to 9 or 0 to 11. I can see 11 on the back right there. So 0 to 11. So that's a good variety of sizes for you. The next thing that we have some skulls and some like Halloween theme charms. So I'm definitely gonna have to do some sets of these. I might have to take a picture because you really can't see it from here, but it's like skulls, it's different colors, it's spiders. They're using purple, red, and pink, but that's what that is. And then we have some rhinestones in here, and this is how they look. Really cute. You can never have too many rhinestones. I literally put rhinestones on almost every set of nails that I do. I have some kind of blinged out set, some kind of rhinestoned out set, something like that. So I'm never mad when I get some rhinestones. And then we have some like holographic type of purple spiders. All this is basically Halloween themed, which is the perfect time to receive this stuff. And even earlier would have been good. But let me just show you how it looks. See, you cannot like see that for real, even if I dim like the light, but it's dark, so that's why I have the light like that. And then we got some polishes, which I love getting the gel polishes because I use them all the time. This is the candy powder, and this is how it looks. Let me cut the light down because it's giving too bright. This is how it looks. It's just like a bright pink. I don't know why it's not showing. Hold on. Ooh, this is a pretty pink. This is how it looks. That's a pretty pink. I can't wait to do a set. I love using pink. And then we have this right here. This is a nail liner. It's like a glittery purple. And this is how the container looks. And it's just like a glittery purple. Ooh, this is like a dark purple color. I really like this color. That is really cute. I really like that color. Oh my god, that is so cute. And the last two things that we have are like those nail extension gels. We have this in a pumpkin orange. It looks like this. And I'm just going to squeeze it out so you can see how it looks. So this is how it looks, and I'm just going to squeeze some out so you can see the actual color of it. This is how it looks. Nice, bold, bright orange color. Yeah. Watch the camera, buddy. And then the last one we have is this one in Hangover Juice. That's a funny name. Looks like this. And let me just open it for you. No, don't squeeze that. And I always got to take the seal off, which is good, so it's not been open. And this is like a light gold glitter color, which would be perfect for some nails as well. This is how it looks. Okay. So that's everything we got in the box. Real quick and to the point. Y'all know my baby always trying to show something. And he is moving the camera, so I'm very sorry. Here, you can show them. Let me, come on, show them. I already showed them, but you show them again. That's what you got. What's that? What is it? Some rhinestones?
Yeah, some rhinestones.
Oh, these are some rhinestones he's showing y'all from a card. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, so that's all we have. Again, I'm going to put the information down below if you're interested in receiving a box. No, don't open. No. But that's my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Sorry for the interruptions, but I hope you got the gist of what I was trying to tell you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to visit me on Instagram at Musics44 and visit my business Instagram at Press Nails and Beauty, so I can get your nails popping, sis and bro. No discrimination. And yeah, for all my KeyBees and KeyDogs, this is Keona Michelle, and your girl is checking out. Do like this. Peace. Put it up so they can see it. Two thumbs. Yeah, like that. Peace. 2. What is this? What, you pointing them in the right direction? There, 2. Peace. 2. Say bye.